VBA programming can be difficult or very simple depending on how you study it. By default, many people study VBA randomly as they seek to solve their day-to-day challenges. As a result, they take a long time to become professionals in VBA. Well, I'm here to fix that. Hi, my name is Sihle Mhlanga and I'm an instructor at Pandit Excel. I've designed this course to help you learn VBA with speed, clarity, and mostly with understanding. All my courses are interlinked. They all seek to make you an expert on a specific field. This one specifically aims to make you a better coder. Now, the main objective of this course is to help you gain skills in solving complex problems using basic techniques. And I'm going to teach you how to do that step by step. In this course, we'll cover many coding techniques that will open your mind and help you code with clarity and speed. I will also teach you how to strategize. This is the most important thing many people lack when it comes to coding. Without a strategy, you are likely to make coding too complicated for yourself. Now, a quick summary of the things covered in this course. We will look at many system functions relevant to the challenges we face in our project. I will teach you how to create user-defined functions and procedures. We will also look at constants, variables, enumerations, conditional statements like if, else if, nested ifs, looping, nested loops, events, and so on. These are powerful concepts you need to learn if you want to become a confident, smart, and productive programmer. I'm not going to teach you only the theory about these concepts because you might have done that already. And perhaps now you're wondering, how do I apply the knowledge I have to my projects? Let me share with you a secret. These concepts are not good to you as individuals. They work as a team. These are like your pieces on a chessboard. Together, they solve complex problems. Coding is just a mind game. If you want to become a professional VBA programmer, you must be good at that game. The players are you and the application you are building. It's just a game. But it can be a difficult one if you are not properly trained. Make no mistakes, the projects they will give you at work are real, unique, and are not easy to accomplish. To accomplish these projects, you need to be a faster and skilled coder who knows what he or she is doing. If you can become that, you will be an asset to the company you work for. I'm going to train you and empower you with skills on how to use these concepts as your weapons to solve complex VBA problems that are thrown at you. Like any game, you need to learn and understand your moves. The steps to solving VBA problems are very easy to learn. By the end of this course, you should be able to solve complex problems with ease at your work or school. I will teach you when, where, and how should you use each concept, what should be done first before you use the theory, how to combine different techniques to solve a problem faster, and at the same time, writing a very short and lightweight code. I will also show you how to break down a big and complex project into solvable pieces. And most of all, teach you how to write a complex code piece by piece, coding like an expert. If this is what you are interested in, please sign up for the course.